Sportsman's Table is brought to you by the South Carolina Department of Agriculture. Whether you live in South Carolina or out of state, be sure to buy South Carolina grown meats, vegetables, and fruits. Make sure your food is South Carolina certified. It's a matter of taste.
Welcome to the Sportsman's Table today. We're at the City Center Market in downtown Florence, South Carolina. Joining me today is Chef Consuelo Casey with Qulture Restaurant in Florence. And I tell you what, this salad is going to be to die for, okay? It has a catchy name. Tell everybody what we're cooking today.
We're cooking our Fatboy salmon salad today.
Okay. So with that, we're going to blacken this salmon, bacon, man, all the good things I like.
We have the blackened salmon and the turkey bacon.
All right. Wow.
I like to get it crispy so I can crunch it up all over the salad.
Okay. So with all of that, of course, salmon is one of those great things that you serve in the restaurant, and this has got to be probably one of the prized things that folks come in.
They do. They love the salmon. They love the mixture of the herbs that I use. I use a lot of fresh herbs. We grow our own herbs outside of buying our local farmers' products. But they love it. They love the sauces. I make all of the sauces by hand, homemade. So they come just for the flavor. It's a little mixture of differences there, so they come for that.
So we've got certified, of course, obviously, lettuce, tomatoes. I mean,
this is an organic mix. It has, I mix it with the spinach also.
Right.
I do the fresh basil, cucumbers, and onions.
There you go. Well, I tell you what, this smells awesome.
It is. It's
blackened salmon. I got to
salmon.
tell you, Consuelo, with that, I can't wait till we get this thing built.
Yeah, gotta wait for it.
Well, Consuelo, look, you've already loaded up here with the turkey bacon, and you've also got this blackened salmon.
Yeah.
How else are you going to load this and garnish it?
Okay, so we're gonna do the tomatoes.
Oh, wow. You know, there's nothing better than fresh South Carolina grown tomatoes.
Aren't they?
I am telling you.
I ate a whole plate of them with just the onions.
Oh, my goodness.
Cucumbers.
Oh, yeah. Gosh. This must be popular at the restaurant.
It is. They love Fatboy salad. They get a Fatboy salad with all the meat.
Okay, now I have to ask you, Fatboy salad. Who came up with that name? You did?
My other half actually came up with
Oh, is
it
that right?
because
Okay.
he was doing the salad one night, and I was cooking something else, and he said, why don't put some French fries on there? And I was like,
There you go.
Who eats French fries with a salad? What do you have? Like ketchup or dressing? And
There
he
you
was
go.
like, either, all of it. So we stuck with it, and it's really a big salad.
I got you.
So most of the time, and almost everybody gets 2 meats on it. So they can't ever just get 1 meat, so they always load them up. So we throw the fries.
Oh, a little bit of cheese.
Some more cheese. We love cheese at Qulture.
Mm-hmm.
We had cheese on everything. I have to tell people, it don't come with that cheese. That's just who posted it.
There you go.
They added cheese.
Okay. Now that is a meal and a half. Gosh, look at there. Wow. Mm-hmm. And there we have it. Salmon Fatboy salad. Qulture Restaurant, downtown Florence.
Palmetto Street. We're right down from the airport,
There you go.
and we're right across from the DMV.
Awesome. Well, Consuelo, thank you so much for
Thank
being
you,
on the
Rob,
show
for
today, and I
having me.
really appreciate it very
You're
much.
welcome.
And folks, listen, if you'd like to experience more great recipes like you saw today on the show, Qulture Restaurant in downtown Florence. And, oh, by the way, log on to CertifiedSCGrown.com and see what's fresh on the menu. We'll be right back here again next week with another great recipe on the Sportsman's Table.
To find out more information on food that's fresher and tastier, go online at CertifiedSCGrown.com. Buy certified South Carolina grown products. It's a matter of taste.